Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. You remember me, children? This is our third video, right? By first and second video we have completed both the three objectives of the first lesson, and this part we are going to do the question answer part. Okay children, you all have sent me the question answers, homework, everything, but some of you did not send me, and for some those who have sent no, there are some mistake in it and some blank spaces are also there. Some fill in the blanks are not filled. So what you have to do children, you want to see this video and you want to edit all those wrong things, okay? And the question answer part, write it in your notebook, other all fill in the blanks and match the following, do it in the textbook only. Okay children? Okay, please do it. Look at this children. First one, fill in the blanks. The parts of computer can be classified into dash unit. How many unit? Write 3 units. Okay. The keys from F1 to F12 are called function keys. Write here function keys. Okay. Function keys. The keys from F1. This F is function. Okay. Next one, dash machine is used to track employees' attendance. Yes, which machine is used, children? Yes, biometric. Biometric machine is used to track employees' attendance. Now, dash is used as input and output device. Which device is used both input and output, children? Touch screen. Touch screen. Touch screen monitor. Okay, write here monitor also. Touch screen monitor is used as input and output device. Next one, the dash manages the working of all parts of the computer. Yes, the CPU. CPU manages the working of all parts of computer. Dash devices are used to get results from the computer. Which device gets the result output, right? The result is output of the device, that is called output device. Okay, the output devices are used to get the result from the computer, like a printer, it is coming out, right? And which one? Speaker, the sound is coming out. So all the output devices are used to get the result from the computer. Into the computer is called input device, and from the computer is called output device. Okay, so by this we finish the fill in the blanks. It is very important, it will be coming for the exam. Okay, learn the fill in the blanks. Next part is match the following. What are the things that you use to for all these things? To hear music. Which part to hear music? Yes children, to hear music. Speaker. Right, so write here 1. Okay. Then to record sounds. How will you record sound? Yes, that is microphone. Here, through microphone you can record sound. To take photograph, of course, camera, right? Then to write a letter, we have to type in the keyboard, right? To write a letter, we use keyboard. So write here 1, 2, 3, 4. These things: to hear music, speaker; to record sound, microphone; to take photograph, camera; to write a letter, keyboard. Okay children, write it now itself. Okay, Now this is the third exercise that we have to do, that is write I for input device and S for storage device. Input device means the devices which give input to the computer. So webcam, it is input or output. Camera, the photo is seen in the monitor, right? So it is input device, right here I. Then joystick, I, right? Playing game and all, when we are doing that joystick thing, something is happening inside the monitor, so it is a input device. And hard disk, it is a storage device. Yes, it is a storage device. Then light pen, it is input device. Memory stick, what is memory stick, children? It's a storage device. Memory means storage itself, right? Then trackball, that is also input device. And what is pen drive? Pen drive is also storage device. So these three are storage devices and these three are input devices. Okay, did you all mark it, children? Yes. Look at this, children, the fourth one. Fill the pyramid crossword. Okay, you want to fill this pyramid. Okay, here is a clue given. You want to read this and you want to fill this pyramid. So here dash is the storage place of a computer. Which is the storage place, children? It is memory unit. So first one is here and first is written here. So write here memory unit. Okay. Now the second question is, it is an input device which helps to capture image and video. Yes, how can you capture image and video? It is starting with W. So write here web camera. Okay, and the next third part is, it helps you to play games. Yes, this everybody knows, right? Play games, that is joystick. All of you correct it, okay? If you have made mistake, correct it, okay? If you did not make mistake, the homework which, if whatever you have done it is correct, you all are very good students, okay? There is any mistake, please edit it and study. Okay, children? Then the next part is, then fourth one. It is used to take large printout, small printout, printer, right? And large printout, plotter. Yes, it is starting with P. So plotter. Okay. Next part is, it is a special key. Which is a special key, children? Look here, it is starting with D. What are the special keys we learned? Backspace, arrow button, then that symbols, tab, all these are special keys, right? With that you have insert also, enter also, delete also. So it is starting with the D. It is a special key. Delete, right here. Delete. Okay. Next one is, dash devices are used to enter data into the computer. How can you enter data into the computer? Into, don't forget it, okay? When into is there, it is input device. So write here input. Okay. Next one is, it supplies power to all the components of a computer. Which supplies power? SMPS. And the last one is, it is a brain of computer. Which is the brain, children? CPU. CPU is a brain of computer. By this we completed our pyramid also. Okay. Now flip the page, children. All of you take page number 16. Pick out the right combination. Which is the correct combination, children? Fifth one. Pick out. Yes, speaker and headset. It is the right combination? Yes. So tick it here. Just make a mark, tick there, okay? Now pen drive and a memory card, both are pairs, right? Both are storage device, so tick it. Now webcam and what is this, children? RAM, right? So webcam and RAM, no combination, right? So cross it out. Now CD and CD drive, tick it out. Then here that what we can say, barcode reader, right? This is barcode reader and this is barcode, so it's a combination, right? Tick it out. Then here printer and a keyboard, no combination, so cross it out. Okay, so only this and this cross, other four are combination. Okay, the right combination. So now write the category of the following device. What is the category of the following device? That is input or output. Okay, children, category means input or output. Printer, input or output? Output device. And mouse, input. Mouse is an input device. Pen drive, it is storage device. Yes, so write storage. Then monitor, it is output device. That everybody knows, no? Output device. Speaker also, sound is coming out, so it is output device. Joystick, that arrows is getting inside, so joystick is an input device. Okay, so this part completed. Everybody was having doubt, what is this, ma'am, right? So now I hope it is clear to you. The next one is answer the following. Name 3 types of monitor. What are the 3 types of monitor, children? CRT, and then what is the next one? LCD, and the last part is LED monitor. These are the 3 types of monitor. What is mean by output unit? What is mean by output unit, children? The output devices are used to get the output or results from the computer. Result from the computer. So write this one. The output devices are used to get the output or results from the computer. Okay, children? Now, what is the use of plotter? To take large printout, right? So write there, plotter is used to take, children, write now itself, okay? Take printouts of large drawings and graphics. Okay, drawings and graphics. Plotter is used to take printouts of large drawings and graphics. Okay, now what is the use of scanner? What is the use of scanner, children? Right there. Scanner is used to scan and store documents into the computer. The scanner is used to scan and store documents into the computer. Okay children, this is the question answer part which you have to write this both in the textbook and in the notebook. This part you need to write in the textbook and notebook. Okay, other all in the textbook is enough. This question answer part you need to write it in your notebook. Okay, now here I told you in the last video the project work, right? See, the project work you have to do is collect the picture of internal components of CPU, stick them on your chart. Most of you have sent to me, very good. Okay, those who did not send, please try to find it out. If it is not there, please try to draw it. Okay, make a list of all storage devices with their name and storage capacity. That also most of you have done it and showed me. Those who did not do it. Okay, you can collect the storage devices like pen drive, then hard disk, etc. Collect the following pictures of parts of computer devices and stick it. Parts of computer devices. Look at this: scanner, LCD monitor, printer, webcam, SMPS, pen drive. All these pictures you can draw here if no pictures are there. Okay children, so this much only we have completed our lesson. Okay, so what are the things that you have to do in the notebook children? You have to write the question answers also, and also stick these things, the project work things. Okay children, that's it. Okay, now our first lesson is complete, right? So you all can start studying because this will be coming for your exam. Okay children, so start, learn well, be a good student. Thank you.